and welcome back to a new video. Christmas is just around the corner and personally I love this time of year, and every December I try to get into the Christmas spirit as much as I can. So in the last 2 weeks I tried to do some Christmassy things like going to the Christmas market, going to the mountains to see some snow. I did bake some cookies and of course decorating the Christmas tree and wrapping gifts and lots of other things. I thought I'd take you along and show you all the Christmassy things that I did over the last 2 weeks to fully get into the Christmas mood. So yeah, let's dive in. One of my favorite ways to get into the holiday mood is by visiting the Christmas market. In Basel there are quite a few and I really enjoy walking around, checking out the different stalls and foods. The lights, the smells and the overall atmosphere just makes it feel like Christmas is in the air. After eating our favorite snack, which is the Kartoffelpuffer, I actually came across a glass blowing stall and ended up making my own Christmas ornament. So yesterday I went to the Christmas market and I did kind of my own Christmas bauble for our little Christmas tree. And yeah, so there was this glass blowing stall at the Christmas market. It was really fun. I actually haven't seen it since it cooled down, so let's have a look at it. That's really sweet. I was very fascinated by the process of how you can actually make this, and it reminded me on my childhood because when I was like 10 years old I went to a glass blowing factory with my class and we just got to see how the people made like crazy beautiful things out of glass, and I always found that process really interesting. So I was very excited yesterday when I actually got to make my own glass bowl for our little Christmas tree. So I'm gonna put it up. There we go. It's finally Sunday, a day that I was looking forward to so much because I went to see family for a special birthday gift. We went on a hike with a llama and an alpaca, and we had such a nice time with those two gentle and very cute animals.
Der kann es aber ganz schön den Kopf verbiegen hier.
Boah, der kann ja einen Knoten in seinen Hals machen. Hm.
Na du.
Oh.
Ich glaube, er mag das, weil er kommt immer zu dir. Ajo.
Ja, jetzt könnten wir wieder zurück.
Hallo.
So, when I think about Christmas, I always imagine snow. But since it had been pretty warm lately, it was a bit harder to really get into the Christmas mood. So, I decided to head up to the mountains in search of some snow. I took 2 trains and a cable car and arrived in Bettmeralp, a small mountain village that was completely covered in snow and looked like a proper winter wonderland. I did a little hike there and enjoyed the best weather and the best views. Another day, another visit to the Christmas market. A friend of mine came to visit and we had a cozy cafe stop before heading to the Christmas market together. But this time we took the little ferry across the Rhine. That's always such a nice way to cross the city. If you're ever in town, I can really recommend taking the ferry. It's a small thing, but it makes the whole experience feel special. And after that, it's just a short climb up the stairs and you arrive right at the Münsterplatz Christmas market, which is, as you might be able to tell, my favorite one. So let's bake my favorite Christmas cookies, which are those beautiful ones. I already made them a few days ago, so I'm gonna do another batch so I can give them away to friends and family because they are the most delicious Christmas cookies. And yeah, I like to give them away, and so let's make them. That was it with this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas time if you're celebrating, and see you next year.